Imagine it's the 1970s and you're driving and thirsty out on the boat. You see a little island, a cute bartender named Daphne just flagging you down. But wait, there's no marina. She wants you to swim. She says she has some goods for you if you make it to the island. So you jump out of your boat and just wobble in and get your pants all wet and your money all wet. And you're at the Soggy Dollar Bar in the Virgin Islands. Now you see, it's called the Soggy Dollar Bar because your dollars get soggy. And Daphne Henderson, she is the inventor of today's beverage called the painkiller, because after swimming and getting off your boat and having to do all that just to make it to the bar, you need something to kill the pain. And she was your girl. Now let's get started. Hello, it's been a while, but I thought I'd come back and bring you guys your lovely Tiki Tuesday green screen magic that you all love. I'm Pinup Miami, and if you haven't seen me before, every Tuesday I bring you a drink, a history, a story, something quirky that is Tiki related, because it's been a rough year and escaping for a few minutes with a sip of something tropical. Isn't that what we all want? As you saw, I gave you guys a little history of this drink, the painkiller. So I'm gonna put the ingredients right over here. They're also gonna be in the description down below. Let's get started. So we are gonna get our mixer. Now we're gonna start off with this rum. I've never tried Pussers Rum, but it's the OG rum to use with the painkiller. So we might as well keep it legit. So we're gonna use 2 ounces of Pussers Rum, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice. Now, it's best to have these fruits freshly squeezed, but if not, when in Rome, use what you got. 1 ounce of cream of coconut. And that is all the ingredients you're gonna have. So, shake it up. This is like a pina colada vibe, but like you could feel the danger, you know, to numb the pain. Painkiller. I mean, that's why Deborah made this. So when the people would swim to shore, they would numb their pain from swimming. How considerate is she? She was a real businesswoman. So then we're gonna take our drink, strain it over a cup of ice. So then we're gonna top it off with some grounded nutmeg. Look at that. Garnish with pineapple, lemon, as you please. That nutmeg really gives it that final scent for your palate and your nose to prepare for a perfect adventure. Now time for the test. So delicious. If you guys have ever tried the painkiller, if you tried it a different way, or if you're gonna give it a try at home, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video and want me to keep doing some more Tiki Tuesdays fun green screen, I just realized I have a lemon. You ain't gonna see it in the green screen. Oh hell. You know, Tiki Tuesday is just giving you a couple minutes of your day to relax, let loose, hopefully bring a smile to your face. So if you like it, please hit that like button, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. It's a free way to help your girl out and get a tropical drink in my staycation, literally. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and stay safe.